So, what is dowsing? Well, it is the ancient art of finding water, for example, among other things. The dowser focuses their mind on their search, and the subconscious mind produces tiny reactions, almost imperceptible reactions in the forearms of the dowser, and then the tool moves. So we have quite a few tools to use these days, but I wonder if you realise how old the art of dowsing is. Stretching back to thousands of years ago in North Africa, the Berber tribes, who were nomads, they had herds of goats, they had to find water or they would perish. So they used dowsing, and they used a tool called a bobber. If you haven't heard of dowsing rods, this is what they look like. These are made of copper, and these ones are just a rod bent at a right angle. You can actually make them out of coat hangers. I wrap my little finger around the end just so that they're not going all over the place when I'm working outside. If I'm visiting a site, then I could be looking the other way, talking to my client, and I can even feel which way they're pointing without looking at the rod, so that I can keep listening to what the client's saying. However, you can also use sleeves if you prefer. These are fine inside. They're not so good in a strong wind, but they do allow free movement of your rod. If your rod, they allow your rod to go 360 degrees around. So don't have your thumb over the top. Have your thumb down a bit. These, I actually sell these, and I sell these other rods as well. So with a pendulum, as with every tool, you need to find your positive sign and your negative sign. This is so that when you are looking for something, for example water, you know when you're being shown whether you have found it or not. You need to think of a question to which you know the answer, and I'm looking for my yes sign first. So for my yes indication, at my location it is currently daytime. So I have a positive reaction. My reaction is a rotation in a clockwise direction. Now I need to think of my negative response. So let me think. Okay, so at my location it is currently nighttime. There we are. I have the opposite result for my negative sign. So I know when I see a positive turn, I'm being indicated a positive answer. When I see a negative turn, I'm being indicated a negative answer. You need to get out, practice, join a group, and it helps a lot to go to a workshop with other students. And drop me a line if you're interested in a workshop with me. I teach dowsing offline and online. My furthest away student lives in Mexico, so that's practically the other side of the planet from me. I offer some courses as approved by the BSD, so I follow their syllabus, and other similar courses independently. And as I'm also an artist, I do offer colour workshops. I also offer map dowsing workshops. You'll find that the beginner's course is packed with information. So that's the place to start. Please like, share and follow. Thank you for watching. Bye.